The Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development says it will develop a national homegrown school feeding program recipe book for its cooks to ensure quality meals. Speaking at a homegrown school program for cooks in Abuja, Mrs. Aishiatu Didil, team leader of the homegrown school program, spoke on the purpose of the book.
We're here today as part of our process to develop a standardized recipe book for the use of the cooks on the school feeding program. We believe by doing so, we're able to transfer knowledge and build capacity of our cooks to provide nutritious meals every given time, because you can standardize the meals you're preparing. So we have here with us a representative sample drawn from cooks across the 6 geopolitical zones who will participate in the process. In the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, we believe in this participatory process because it drives ownership. We believe this can attract a lot of good partnerships and also help sensitize the communities, the Nigerians as a whole, about what the school feeding program is trying to do.
A nutrition assistant of the ministry said the program would improve the quality of meals that over 9.8 million school children all over the country eat.
We are hoping that with this manual, the cooks will be able to improve the quality of meals they give, and then also they will be able to have a standardized pattern of cooking so that the end result, the product, will kind of be uniform, so that whatever food that is being given in the north, in the south, is tasting alike and up to what is required. This recipe book, after production, is going to have a visual component. Apart from just writing in text, we are going to make pictures out on the book so that it's going to be useful for those that are not educated.
Deputy Director, Planning, Research and Statistics of the Ministry, Safia Sani, said one of the objectives of the program was to transform and empower women.
To transform and empower our women to fight malnutrition in growing children, and also to boost the local economy of the community where the school feeding is taking place. So we're trying to improve on the quantity, the quality and the presentation of food that has been given to children. And in order to do that, there's a need for you to train these cooks so that they understand what they are doing, the essence.
One of the cooks from Ekiti State, while appreciating the management of the ministry, said she would ensure total compliance with all the guidelines.
We learn here, we see here, we are going to take it to our home to follow it up and train them, the remaining vendors, to take the step of what the federal government need to give our people good nutrition food.